Good morning, bachcho. In my previous video, I have shown you how to perform write and read operation on binary file. So while reading the content of binary file, I was unable to read entire content of binary file. You may have seen on my previous video. So if you want to read the entire content of binary file, you have to know first exception handling. It is very important topic in any programming language as well as very lengthy also, but I am going to discuss very briefly here. Okay, the purpose of learning exception handling here to perform a read operation on binary file only. Is it? So without wasting of much time, now what is an exception? So an exception is a problem or error that arises during the execution of a program. When an exception occurs, the normal flow of the program is disrupted and the program application terminates abnormally. Okay, you can make it underline terminates abnormally, which is not recommended at all. As a programmer, we don't like it and we don't want termination of program in between of execution abnormally. Therefore, these exceptions are to be handled. Okay, it is very important for us to manage these exceptions. Okay, so how to handle? We can handle these exceptions by using the following statements. You can see the first one, try block, to test a block of code for error. Okay, if you think that the particular lines of code may generate error, okay, you write that code inside try block. अगर आपको लगता है कि कोड है ये एरर जनरेट करेगा, उसको कहाँ रखोगे? ट्राई ब्लॉक के अंदर. And with the help of except block, we can handle the error. Is it? Then finally and raise. So in this video, I am going to use only try and except block. Okay, Python has inbuilt exceptions. Some are given below. There are numbers of exceptions, but few are here. Name error, import error, value error, keyboard interrupt error, EOF error, that means end of file error. Okay, I'm going to use this end of file means EOF in my next video to read the content of binary file. Is it? Okay, now come to Python. I'm going to show you what is exception and how can we handle with the help of try and except block. Suppose print a. Okay, print a. Now you know that definitely we are going to get error. Now press F5. Okay, you can see name a is not defined. Okay, is it? अभी तक हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे name a is not defined. Now you read this error name also. Name error. It is inbuilt. It is inbuilt exception in Python. Okay. So as a programmer, as I told you, we do not want exceptions, है ना? तो how to handle this? Now try. हमें लगता है कि जो print a है वो एरर जनरेट करेगा और हमने देखा भी एरर आया, तो उस कोड को कहाँ रखेंगे? इनसाइड ट्राई ब्लॉक एंड एक्सेप्ट. Now we know that the name of error, so you can copy and you can paste here, then colon print variable a is not defined. Execute once again and see the difference. In previous approach we received error, name a is not defined, but in this there is no error. ओके हम लोग ने अपना कोड एग्जीक्यूट किया है, वेरिएबल ए इज नॉट डिफाइंड. हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है वो एबनॉर्मली टर्मिनेट नहीं हुआ है. ओके लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. a equal int input, enter first number, enter second number, enter second number, c equal a divided by b. So I think clear. I am going to divide first number by second number. Print c. Now execute this code first. Enter first number 3, enter second number 2, and you can see the result 1.5. Okay, there is no syntax error, there is no semantic error. Okay, and there is no exception also, है ना. अभी तक कोई exception नहीं आया. Is it? Now once again execute same code, okay, without changing of any line. Once again I am executing the same code. Enter first number 3 and enter second number 0. Now you know that. Okay, divide by 0 means undefined. Now you see, now error generated, okay, division by 0, and now you see the name 0 division error. Okay, so as a programmer मैंने आपसे बोला we do not want such kind of error, है ना. So we have to handle this. So now we know that this code may generate error, to keep inside try block and accept. Now I am copy this, now copy and paste. Okay, print. Please check the second value, second number value, it should not be 0. Okay, now execute this code. 3 and second number once again 0, but now you see the result. Okay, I think now you are able to find out that the difference between previous approach and approach using try and except block, है ना. यहाँ पे क्या था, एरर था, बट यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारा कोड है. Is it? So hoping that this video is very much clear to understand exception handling. If any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.